Mastering Zero Conditional. Making English a piece of cake. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our exciting lesson on Zero Conditional. This lesson will deepen your understanding of the simple present tense in English, especially when used in conditional sentences. We'll guide you step by step through the formation and use of the zero conditional, and by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. Let's dive right in. The zero conditional is a type of conditional sentence that we use to express general truths or situations that we believe always happen under certain conditions. It's a common structure that native speakers use all the time, but you might not even realize you're hearing it. The structure is very straightforward. If plus subject plus simple present verb, subject plus simple present verb. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. Here, we're expressing a fact that happens all the time, no exceptions. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it always boils, right? Let's take a closer look at how we form zero conditional sentences. We use the simple present tense in both parts of the sentence, the if clause, or condition, and the main clause, or result. Here's the formula again. If plus subject plus simple present verb, subject plus simple present verb. An example is, if it rains, you get wet. Remember, the order of the clauses doesn't matter. You can start with the if clause or the main clause. You get wet if it rains. We use zero conditional when the result of the condition is always true, like a scientific fact. Think of it as describing a universal truth. Some more examples are, if you don't eat, you feel hungry. If it's a bird, it has wings. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. So, whenever you're talking about things that are generally or always true, you can use the zero conditional. That wraps up our quick lesson on the zero conditional. With practice, you'll soon find these conditionals are a piece of cake. We hope this video has been helpful in improving your English grammar. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we will continue exploring English verb tenses and their applications. Happy learning, and remember, practice makes perfect.